Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In the last Python tutorial, we have seen what are lists and how to use them. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch the video. In this video, we are going to create a window in just 3 lines of code. If you like this video, please give this video an upvote and let YouTube know that people are enjoying my content. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till now in Python we have done some arithmetic operations and we have created a list, but we did not create a window till now. Now how are we actually going to create this window? Now we are going to use a module called Tkinter. With this module we are going to create a window. Now our code will look like this. First let us go through the code and then let's start programming. In the first line of code, we are importing the module, and in the second line, we are creating an instance for the module. Now, I will not explain what will the third line do. We will figure it out when we are programming. Without any further delay, let's start programming. First, we are going to import the module. To import what module, we use import or from the name of the module and just say import and star stands for everything. And now let's give a variable called root is equal to tk, and now let's save this and run. Nothing happened because we have created the window but we did not say the window to be opened. So let's say we want the window to be opened till the user closes it, and to do that we just type root dot main loop. What this will do is till the user exits the window will be open. Now you can see a window. You can resize the window, and here is a feather icon for the window, and the title of the window is TK, and nothing is there inside the window. If you want to change the title, you don't need to do some kind of magic stuff. It's just a line of code. You can just say root dot title and type the title you want. Let's just say this is a title, and let's save this file. And now if we run this, now the title of the window is this is a title. If you want some text inside the window, you can even do that. You just give a variable which contains the label. Let's just say label1 is equal to label. This is a label with capital L. Make note of that. And we have to say root. Root means this label is present inside this window. We are saying that this label should be in this window, and the text, whatever text you want, let's just say this is a label. And now let's save this, and if we run the program, you can't see the label. This because you did not say the label to appear in the window. We have to do that. We have to grid or pack the label. Label1 dot pack, and Now if you run the program, you can see the label. This is a label. You can even grade this gr. For if you want to grade, you should give row and column. And now you see this is a label. You can grade it like any wherever you want. Row 6, column 0. But you don't notice any change because you did not, there is no other object in this window. So let's just add another label. Let's say label 2. Label 2 equal to label text is equal to this is another label. Label 2 dot grade and now let's run this and you see there is the difference between the label 1 and label 2. Label 1 is at column 5 and this is a label which is label 1 is at row 6 and this is another label. This is at row 0 but at column number 5. You can grade the objects according to columns and rows or you can even pack them according to side. Let's try pack and side is equal to top. Side is equal to bottom. And now if we run this program, you see the first label is at the top and the second label is at the bottom. You can even pack at right and left.